Many beginners think software testing is only about finding bugs. That is the first mistake. Testing is about understanding risk. Finding bugs is a result, not the goal. Another common mistake is testing only the happy path. Users do not always behave correctly, and software must handle mistakes, edge cases, and unexpected input. Beginners often skip asking questions. Unclear requirements lead to weak testing. Good testers challenge assumptions early instead of guessing. Over-relying on automation is another mistake. Automation is powerful, but it cannot replace human judgment, curiosity, or intuition. Not everything should be automated. Poor bug reports slow teams down. A bug without clear steps, expected results, and evidence